Today we replaced the antenna bar on MacBook Pro 13-inch M2 2022 with a fast, step-by-step teardown and reassembly. Required tools: pentalobe and tri-point drivers, spudger, tweezers, torque driver, and ESD strap. Antenna part number 820-02345 is shown for reference. Quick baseline test. Current Wi-Fi shows 2 bars and a 52 megabit per second download. We'll compare after reassembly. Power off and remove the 6 pentalobe screws, then lift the back cover gently to access the internals. Disconnect the battery connector and wear ESD protection. Keep metal tools away from battery contacts for safety. Locate the antenna bar along the top edge, remove the shield screws and lift the antenna assembly clear. Keep screws organized and note connector orientation. Fit the new antenna bar, align the tabs, then start each screw by hand to avoid cross-threading. Torque specs will appear on screen. Reconnect the RF cable and tiny connector carefully, press straight down until you feel the click. Do not bend the cable. Reinstall the back cover, then tighten the pentalobe screws to the specified torque shown on screen and confirm there are no gaps. After reassembly we retest Wi-Fi, now 4 bars and a 310 megabit per second download. Antenna replacement restored signal strength. Quick tips: keep screws organized, avoid bending RF cables, and always disconnect the battery before working near connectors. That's it, antenna bar replaced and Wi-Fi restored. Subscribe for more MacBook repairs and step-by-step guides.